So if you want to make a transparent PNG glow using Emission, select your object, go to Shading, press on New, delete the principled BSDF, import your PNG. Press Shift A, go to Shader, click on Transparent BSDF, click to place it, press Shift A again, go to Shader, click on Emission, click to drop it in, press Shift A again, go to Shader, click on Mix Shader, click to place it, connect the PNG's alpha to the Mix Shader's vector, connect Transparent BSDF to the top shader slot, connect Emission to the bottom shader slot, connect the PNG's color to the Emission's color, connect the Mix Shader to the material output. And as you can see, only the logo is glowing and the rest is fully transparent.